the way Arsenal are going, we left ourselves quite a bit to do because you've got to go on a winning streak, a massive unbeaten run, which Liverpool are capable of doing. We've got to find a way, hopefully, of beating these teams that are going to try and bully us, and play a different way. We've got to counteract that with the players we've got and the talent we've got. And hope that Arsenal shit the keks again. For want of a better word, that's a football saying. And people don't know. They've done it many times before in the past. And if they get a couple of injuries and Arteta knows, the pressure he wants and what the Arsenal fans want, what they haven't had for a long, long time. And they're a fairly big club. Fairly big club. They've never won the European Cup. That's a big problem of theirs as well. So, yeah, there's massive expectations there. And if they get a few injuries and a couple of defeats, you never know. You just never know. So that's why Liverpool just got to keep themselves in with a shout. And Man City will think the same. But the defence, Arsenal defence, and the way they defend is quite exceptional this year. But things happen in football, and that's all that Liverpool can hope for. At this moment in time, I can't see them losing the league. But things happen. And we've just got to hope, that it does. It'll make it interesting at the end in the last couple of months.